الله الرحمن الرحيم
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِّرٍ. We have made the Holy Quran easy. So is there anyone to be admonished thereby? हमने बात करना पसंद नहीं था. After neither of noun or pronoun, we use a singular verb in a formal style. For example, neither of my brothers is married. In an formal style, a plural verb is possible. Neither of my brothers are married. Neither used alone. We can use neither alone without a noun or pronoun. For example, which one do you want? Neither. As Allah Almighty says in Surah Nur, ayat number 37, رجال لا تلهيهم تجارة ولا بيع عن ذكر الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة يخافون يوما تتقلب فيه القلوب والأبصار. Men whom neither merchandise nor selling diverts from the remembrance of Allah and the keeping up of prayer and the giving of poor aid, they fear a day in which the hearts and eyes shall turn about. वो लोग जिनको न तिजारत और न खरीद फरोख्त अल्लाह के जिक्र और नमाज की पाबंदी और ज़कात देने से गाफिल करती है, वो इस दिन से डरते हैं जिसमें दिल और आंखें फिर जाएगी. Nor. We use nor after neither in order to introduce the second alternative or the last of a number of alternatives in a negative statement. This structure is used to join two negative ideas. It is the opposite of both, and it is usually rather formal. We neither smoke nor drink. Less formal. We don't smoke or drink. The film was neither well made nor well acted. I can give you neither an opinion nor any advice. Sometimes more than two ideas are connected by neither and nor. She neither smiled, spoke, nor looked at me. When singular subjects are connected by neither nor, the verb is normally singular, but it can be plural in a less careful style. Neither Ashraf nor his father was at home yesterday. Normal. Neither Ashraf nor his father were at home yesterday. Less careful. As Allah Almighty says in Surah Al-Alaq, ayat number 13, ثُمَّ لَا يَمُوتُ فِيهَا وَلَا يَحْيَا. Then he shall neither die in it nor live. फिर वो इसमें न मरेगा और न जिएगा.